Looking for eye-catching CSS loaders? We've got 13 stunning animations that'll level up your web projects. Stay till the end. You won't want to miss the final one. Watch this smooth and stylish CSS loader animation transform simple geometric shapes into a mesmerizing loop. Perfect for enhancing your web projects with a modern, minimalistic touch. Experience these dynamic CSS loading animations with smooth transitions and stylish motion. Created using just one div and no JavaScript, these mesmerizing effects will elevate your web design aesthetic. This animated loading screen features a sleek, fast-moving figure symbolizing redirection. The minimalistic design and motion create a dynamic and engaging transition effect for websites. Creative CSS loaders with smooth animations. Watch Pac-Man eat dots and a ball move in a zigzag pattern, adding fun and engaging effects to web designs. The CSS loader features a futuristic triangular animation made up of smaller shifting purple triangles. The geometric design creates a smooth, dynamic motion, giving a sleek and modern loading effect. Perfect for dark-themed or tech-inspired websites. This one is my personal favorite. The CSS loader features a dynamic lightsaber duel animation, inspired by Star Wars. Two glowing sabers, one green and one red, clash in a smooth, continuous motion, creating an engaging science fiction loading effect. This is an abstract rotating animation with a fluid swirling motion. It has a minimalist and dynamic design used as a loading indicator. This loader features an infinity loop symbol with a plug, representing sustainable or renewable energy. The bright orange background and yellow icon give it a bold and modern look. A minimalist design with a small magenta-colored dotted line, with a looping animation where dots tap each other rhythmically, creating an endless cycle of movement and interaction. A mystical wizard waves his wand, magically lifting geometric blocks into the air. The blocks hover momentarily, shimmering with enchantment, before gently lowering back to their original position. This mesmerizing cycle repeats endlessly, creating a captivating CSS loader animation. A revolver-style CSS loader where bullets smoothly load into the chamber one by one, then unload in sequence, creating a dynamic spinning effect. A CSS loader that simulates a book with flipping pages. Each page smoothly turns one after another, creating a realistic and continuous flipping effect, perfect for reading or publishing themed designs. A beautiful CSS loader featuring a rotating DNA helix pattern. The smooth linear motion creates an elegant double helix effect, mimicking the structure of DNA with continuous flowing animation. That's a wrap on these 13 stunning CSS loaders. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments.